All right, so I've had this BMW F800R since 2015. So there's a couple cleaning chemicals I use to make sure this chain stays working properly. And I've had this bike for 11 years. I have not had the chain changed since I've had it. So there's a one cleaning chemical I use, and this is one right here. I'm gonna put it in the description below. That's why I spray on initially, let it soak in just for a few seconds before I clean it. And then from there, I'm gonna use my cleaning brush, triple-sided. It really helps you get both sides of the chain, top of the chain, makes it cleaning your chain a lot easier. All right, so as you can see, the chain's super dirty and a lot of grease on that chain. So what we're gonna do, I always put a towel by my tire just to keep all that liquid and stuff from falling down in there. And I'm gonna be doing this tire cleaning alone. So I don't have a center stand, and I don't have somebody helping me with it, the actual cleaning part. I do have somebody helping me record. All right, so we have our chain spray. So we're gonna shake that up. We spray it on the chain, getting it really good, getting it all over. And I really just spray a lot on there. I have a lot of grease and junk building up on that chain for a while. We're gonna take our triple-sided brush, brush it down and I have no mechanical skill, but this is something you gotta be able to do yourself. You should definitely not be taking your bike anywhere to clean your chain or spray your chain. All right, so the challenges of not having a center stand, doing it by yourself. So we did a little bit. We gotta back the bike out. Getting everywhere in there. This is the first cleaning I've done this spring so far on the bike as far as chain cleaning. I'm trying to get it cleaned really well. As you can see, there's just so much junk and buildup on this chain. So it does take a few minutes to really brush in there and get it done right. But following this process, I've definitely felt like I've extended the life on this chain quite a bit. And like I said, this is something, as if you're like me with no mechanical ability, it's still got to be able to clean and spray your chain throughout the year. You definitely don't want to have to take that for something simple like that, take it somewhere. I'm going to take my towel, just start wiping it off. So you can see all that gunk and stuff is coming off. And now the chain's actually looking pretty clean. Okay. All right, again, we're dealing with limitations. I don't have it out in the outside today because it may not look it, but has gotten pretty cold out. Again, I'm spraying the chain cleaner on there, just getting a lot on there, getting it nice and clean. Oh, dripping on my tires. Usually, the towel fell down. Again. All right, so we've cleaned the chain off with our clean spray I showed. The next thing we're going to use after it's clean, I put this on every couple weeks during the riding season, but since we just did a full clean of the chain, we'll put this on now. Chain is so much cleaner now. Got all the grease and junk off it pretty well. So again, I use my towel I just don't want to get all these sprays on my tire. It's not riding season here in central New York yet, but so I have plenty of time to wipe it off. I just try not to get these sprays on my tire. So spraying the chain, I really am Didn't shake my can a little bit. Try to get really generous with getting everywhere on that chain really well. And here I really get up on the, up there well, and try to keep it from the extra from dripping down on the tire. Getting all up in there. Put it on really generously. So again, doing it by yourself and not having a center stand, you just gotta kind of, you know, as you do, you gotta get that other piece of the chain you don't see. You just gotta keep pushing the bike forward. All right, so the spray of the chain is done. Again, during riding season, I usually put that spray on once a week, every couple weeks, depending on how much I'm riding. Usually I have the chain warmed up, but it's like 30 degrees out today, so I'm not riding today. So I did clean it, so I wanted to get a little spray on there. So I make sure. That's why this chain has lasted me 11 years, thousands and thousands of miles on this bike. All right, so that's easy steps to make sure the chain lasts you for years and years, as it has on this bike for me. I'll put the links down below for these products. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Bye.